Founders, building an AI startup in 2026? Meet Dify, the fastest path from idea to production. Scaling models and complex integrations slow teams down and drain precious budgets. Dify fixes that with scalable APIs, smart cost controls, and elastic infrastructure. Rapid prototyping tools let teams iterate product features in hours, not weeks. Seamless integrations connect your data, MLOps pipelines, and third-party services instantly. The result is lower costs, faster launches, and production-grade reliability you can trust. Watch the Dify dashboard, one place to deploy, monitor, and scale models. Developers collaborate in real time using code-first workflows plus visual flow editors. Built-in connectors integrate databases, observability tools, and major cloud providers. Dify optimizes costs automatically with usage rules, model routing, and smart selection. Prototype in hours, run A/B tests, and ship with confidence and telemetry. Ready for 2026? Try Dify today and accelerate your AI startup. Learn more